All right, hello everyone. Well, this is going to be a quick install video of the Edge CTS pillar mount for the 2024 GMC Sierras that you probably just purchased from me. So this is a pretty straightforward install. I just want to give a disclaimer real quick. This piece is not included with the mount. I have already had mine mounted from, testing and whatnot, so that's why this piece is still on mine. But this piece you will need to take from your original Edge suction cup mount. So install is pretty straightforward. I'm going to set the mount aside real quick. You can use like a flathead screwdriver, whatever. I like a little pick. You just got to be careful not to push too hard because you'll deform your plastic piece here. So this pops off like that. Get that out of the way. You're going to get a 10 metric socket like this, a shallow one. You don't want a deep one. And I recommend a 1/4 inch drive. So that was actually pretty easy. Crack that. Get the factory bolt out of here. Okay, put that aside. And then you'll take your mount, the included bolt, which is right here. You'll also put the lock nut and the washer on the bolt that are included that you can see right here. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but you'll put that together. You'll put the bolt in the hole of the mount like so. You'll then take this, get this on the bolt. And then what you want to do is before you get the mount flush into its spot where it's supposed to go, you want to kind of let the mount free hang like this, but you want to get the bolt started with this free hanging. Once you get it started, you're going to tighten it by hand until you get it as far as you can possibly get it by hand, because you don't want to overdo it or stress the plastic or anything like that. This is printed out of ABS, so it's pretty durable, but still better to be safe than sorry. So tighten it as far as you can by hand. Once you can't tighten it anymore by hand, make sure it's sitting in the hole properly like that. Simply grab your ratchet, put it on tightening mode, and then you're just going to get this back on the bolt, turn it about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. You'll feel it start to bind. Once it starts to bind up, you don't want to do too much. And notice how I didn't use the end of the ratchet, I used the middle. You don't need a ton of pressure on these for them to stay on. Once it's on, then you'll simply take your mount, put this on the piece that I showed you already ahead of time that you'll need to take off your suction cup mount, and then just pop the monitor on. And that's it. You're all done. Let me grab the phone real quick and show you. And yeah, simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, and thank you for your purchase.